Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls, my dearest beautiful friends of love and light. So dear friends, I have connected today to make a video to do a healing as well as a reading for the upcoming week, 7 to 10 days energies. And in the upcoming week, 7 to 10 days, although this is a timeless reading, but when I'm making this reading, we are going to have the solar eclipse happening on the 29th of March, and we are also going to have the lunar eclipse. No, sorry. Oh, that is the Mercury in retrograde, the communication. So we are already having Mercury in retrograde at present, challenging our communications, our thinking abilities, and we are having the Venus in retrograde already, and Venus in retrograde is going to continue until the 12th of April. We are almost more than halfway through the Venus retrograde, and you guys must be getting a lot of healings and lessons with regard to relationships, your relationships with human beings and your environment, and with money, and your relationship with yourself. That is all about Venus, the blessings of self-love, love, abundance, richness, personal power, valuing oneself, and all of your relationships. So let us induce you with the symbol of Goddess Venus. And you can say the mantra Om Shum Shukrai Namaha. Om Shum Shukrai Namaha. Om Shum Shukrai Namaha. Goddess Venus has the day of Friday, wearing white colors and pink colors. You can attract the blessings of Goddess Venus, and especially if you want to call the energies of Goddess Venus. I believe in this reading, the energy of Goddess Venus, she has connected. The first thing, I didn't even realize when I was choosing the dress. It's all floral, it is pink and white, and this pink and white color is the energy of Goddess Venus. And what I did right now, this area on your palm is the Mount of Venus. I am making the symbol of Venus over here 3 times, and I just put some essential oil and I am activating the Venus Mount. What will happen when the Venus Mount is activated? What will happen when the Goddess Venus, embodies you, or she wants to bless you? You are going to be blessed with the highest level of divine feminine energies into your life. It really doesn't matter if you are a male or a female. Keep doing like this. And the symbol I am wearing is very simple. There is a round like this and like this, okay? So last week also, when I was doing my readings, I told you guys that I bought this pendant of Goddess Venus, and ever after I have made so many healings with her blessings. So she is going to bless you, number 1, with self-love, beauty and charm, youth. Secondly, she is going to bless with a lot of fertility, creativity, intuitive abilities. Thirdly, she is going to bless you with lot of blessings in your relationships, all of your relationships, love relationships with your soulmates, twin flames, partners, with your parents, with your children. Love as such, the energy of Goddess Venus in all relationships. And she's going to bless you with the richness, luxury, abundance, money, personal incomes, your personal bank balances. And ever since I wore this pendant, I believe that the energy, she is activating that energy, and I am constantly making the healings with the energy of Goddess Lakshmi, who is again Goddess Venus. So this week again, I believe, oh my God, how could I forget? And that is why I am talking about the goddess energy, the first thing. Oh my God, guys, how could I forget? This week is the beginning of the Navratri season also, which means all of the goddesses want to connect, and that is why they brought me for this reading. So the goddess Durga also, and we have the goddess Lakshmi in white over here, and goddess Saraswati. Oh my God. Oh my God. So this was the energy that they were calling us. Talking about goddess Venus, it's like all the goddesses have these similar energies. You can call her goddess Durga, you can call her goddess Saraswati, you can call her goddess Lakshmi, or you may call her goddess Kali. All of them are stepping in for the upcoming week's energy. Here we have the goddesses and take the energy. Oh my God, this is unbelievable, guys. So that is why I was thinking that, this week we have the solar eclipse and Mercury is in retrograde. How come the first energy that is striking me is about Venus? That is the energy of divine feminine is going to be there for the upcoming 7 to 10 days. When you're seeing this reading, we are almost on 22nd, 23rd of March, and this reading is going to be, entering in the month of April. But however, whenever you happen to click on this video in your lifetime, that this week, 10 days, the energy of divine feminine mothers is going to be by your side. This is so amazing. Oh my God, now I can sense the strength, the love, the purity. And I was saying that mantra, Om Shum Shukrai Namaha. That is, if you guys want to truly call in the energy of Goddess Venus, Shukra planet, that is the planet, into your life, because this is an overall blessing. Everybody wants beauty, look, charm. Everybody wants money, luxury, personal incomes. Everybody wants good relationships. So to manifest anything to everything in your life, the blessings of the goddess energy, the blessings of Goddess Venus, who is Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Durga, Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Kali, is extremely important. So I believe for this week, the whole playlist, the goddess healing playlist, is going to be. And when the goddesses step in, that all the negative energy of Mercury in retrograde is finished. All the negative, anything that is negative or that is challenging gets the end. So therefore, the end of any challenging energies with the mother's energy stepping in. Oh my God, how could I forget this? This is massive, guys. So therefore, again, I will say that the week is coming with a massive energy, and with the colors I'm wearing, it's like the spring, the flowers, the purity. I would say that the week is very pure. Something you're going to do in this week, or either you're getting connected with the energy of very pure souls. Maybe children, maybe you're getting connected with the energies of the divine beings, or some elderly people, some beings who are very pure. The environment, I feel, is very pure kind of environment. Cleanliness, that could be your focus also. So I am absolutely fallen in love and totally aghast, because I didn't even do any saging. That means that this week you guys are in such good energy, empowered by the goddesses. Oh my God. So guys, let us begin this reading. And before the reading, before the cards only, they gave me all of the messages. So again, want to highlight, because I want all of my friends to become extremely beautiful, charming, and I want everybody to become very rich and abundant, and I want everyone to have very beautiful relationships. So therefore, like me, if you want to purchase this kind of a pendant, you just have to type on Amazon goddess Venus symbol pendant, okay, and you're going to see a lot many pendants like this. Buy a pendant like this. I am sensing that this is energizing me in some ways, okay, and that's why I'm making so many healings, and it's also bringing prosperity, love. It's enhancing the energy. So if you want to buy this pendant, guys, go on Amazon and look for goddess Venus symbol pendant. Also on Fridays you can keep a fast to you can, I don't encourage fasting or anything too much, but Friday is the day of goddess Venus, goddess Lakshmi. So doing any ritual in her name, wearing whites or pinks on Fridays, or just offering flowers to the goddesses, or chanting the mantra Om Shum Shukrai Nama, Om Shum Shukrai Nama, Om Shum Shukrai Nama, or any which way, Aphrodite, she has many names, or Jai Lakshmi Mata, Jai Durga Mata, divine feminine, prayers are, if you are going to do it on Friday, it is going to be even more beneficial for you, okay? So all this is the message that our divine goddesses are giving, and we are going to have Navratri. They are going to start from 29th, 30th most probably, continue until the 6th of April. Okay guys, let me just I hope little bit they are visible also, but okay, let me just put this behind so that you can see the goddesses. I hope, but the energy is there, even if you can see or not, the energy is there. Over here I'm going to pull the cards, and Archangel Phanuel also wants to make his presence known, dear friends. Archangel Phanuel has connected with us, and from the lunar eclipse energy, most probably he wants to bring hope, optimism, and new beginnings in our life. Okay, dear friends, are you guys being able to see? Okay, so now we are going to begin the reading. Overall energy, let us check, dear friends, what is the overall energy of this week. Dearest God, universe, first thing I can tell you that you guys are feeling very grounded, at peace and serenity. That is the energy. Lot of empowerment by the, oh my god, this was strong. Oh my god, we have the 6 cards falling right over here as the overall energy of this week, and I'm going to pick all of them and see what it is about. But let's see the base. We have the Tower. There's a massive change of energy that you're going to sense. There's a massive change that is entering your life in this week. We are going to see all of these 6 cards and try to understand what is this. This is a change that is, that has begun with the lunar eclipse, is going to finalize with the solar eclipse energy. Something new is going to start in everybody's life. Okay, let's see what it is. Let's pick the first card. We have 3 of Cups. 3 of Cups with 4 goddesses over here. This is the celebration week. Celebration week, dear friends. Happy moments, friends and family members coming together, soul tribe coming together. And most probably this week you guys are also going to dance, celebrate the deities' energies, or there could be a reason for celebrations. There is some kind of a good news that can head towards you about marriages, childbirth, something new that you wanted to manifest in your life. And any which way, we have the 3 of Cups. And also 3 of Cups talks about the friendships. I could say that the real friends are going to enter your life. The tribe you vibe with is now going to enter your life. The second is the High Priestess. The High Priestess is talking about the intuition, the intelligence, third eye chakra, crown chakra activated, the ability to gain knowledge, wisdom, insights, and to share it with the world. You guys, many of you are the high priestesses. High priestess is extremely intelligent. Also, she is very well educated. She keeps educating herself from any forum, you know. Whatever is a new start in your life, in this new start, you're going to be very intelligent, very intuitive. You're going to be like a teacher, like a guide. You're going to study a lot from any forum. You can study from Google, YouTube, books, anywhere. But you're going to gain knowledge and you're going to be sharing this knowledge. Many of you are becoming teachers. Three of Cups, community. Many of you tarot card readers connecting with your community, healers connecting. This is a combination of a community coming together. People who are you know, intuitive, people who are psychics, people who are who practice occult, who are pure souls. Who, as I am telling you, this is also the blessing. This is also the goddess energy. So very massive week, right, with the 2 cards. Let's see what's the 3rd card. We have the Magician. Oh my God. Guys, I mean, could you have expected such a major week? I never expected when I started this reading. Magician is talking about your manifestations. This is a week of your manifestations and you mastering your, all of you becoming your multitasking masters, and you're doing it very easily. You have all of the abilities inside of you to manifest your greatest of dreams. Law of attraction is working with you, but I see massive peace, harmony is there. A lot of cooperation from the people around you, your loved ones. There's so much support in anything that you want to do. So this comes as your manifestations, the universal energies, infinite abundance, and all of the tools are there for you to manifest. Let's see. Card number 3. Oh my God, we have card number 1 showing up over here as the Magician, card number 2 showing up over here as the High Priestess, card number 3 of Cups as 3. That is the energy of the month of March. This is like, you know, coming from January, February, March, and we have another 3 showing up. 3-3 portal. What was the 3-3 portal activation about? It was to attract the aligned opportunities, your soul tribe, vibe with your tribe, and this is the week. We have the 3 of Wands and the 3 of Cups. You are moving towards the opportunities that vibe with you, the tribe that vibe with you. There could be travel opportunities for somebody, moving out of the comfort zone. Some of you are expanding through your community, loved ones, moving towards your soulmates, soul tribes, twin flames. This is extremely amazing, the energies, guys. And we have the 6 of Pentacles showing up. 3-3 and then 6. And 1 and 2 becomes a 3. Then we have 3 and 3 and we have double of 3. This is all of the month. I am telling you, this is the 3-6-9 kind of the manifestation technique working on you. And trust me, dear friends, what is going to begin for you in the month of March right now? You are going to get a lot of blessings in the 6th month, that is the month of June, for whatever you are beginning now. And in the 9th month, that is the month of September, there's going to be a culmination, a full coming, you know, the harvest of whatever is started right now. So with the 6 of Pentacles, there is showers of abundance from the universe, the gifts. Your gifts are coming and you're going to have so much of time, energy, money that you're going to be doing some charity. You're going to be sharing this time, energy, money with the ones who are less fortunate than you. You're going to be healing some unfortunate people. You're going to be talking to some people who are not as fortunate as you. You're going to be doing some charity, but the universe is blessing you and making you so abundant and using your body as an embodiment. Goddess Venus is using your body to be an embodiment of richness, luxury, to help others in need. The last card, 4 of Cups, more offers coming towards you. 3 offers already there, another offer coming towards you. but you're going to be very selective. With the Four of Cups, you're going to be very selective as to which offers you have to take. And these are offers of emotional joy. You're going to spend a lot of time doing your own inner work. Whenever you're going to feel disconnected from the universe, you're going to sit with yourself. You're going to, most probably, you're going to be following your health regimes very strongly to enhance your energies. You're going to be doing your meditations, yogas. Whenever you feel disconnected, disheartened, you're going to be sitting with yourself, connecting with Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, and knowing that, this all is there for you in this week. This is massive, guys. Extremely massive energies of this week. I didn't want to make this reading very long one. You have felt financial pinch from a very long time. And this is the week when this energy of scarcity is going to go away. We are going to have plenty of material things. Plenty of material things are going to manifest just as the goddesses enter with their energy. Goddess Venus is going to activate this financial pinch that you have suffered from a very long time is going to go away. And we see the fruits bowl over here. Maybe you guys choose to eat a lot of fruits in this week. And we have the great passion energy as well. Okay, these are the main energy vibrations of this week. Now we are going to see what is going to be your main energy vibrations. However, all of the energies were talking about you definitely, but let us see what is going to be your own energy vibrations. So I see it's the culmination of the energy that was coming, that all the inner work that we were doing in 2025 up till now. The start of the season, the year 2025, will begin from this month. Now something new is going to happen. That is going to be a massive change. Let's see what's going to be your own personality. Okay, we have the Three of Wands. First of all, in your personality, you are ready for your manifestations. You're ready to go out of your comfort zone to manifest expansions in your life now. You're ready to travel. You're ready to intermingle with many people. Okay. We have the Page of Cups and the Three of Swords in reverse. This is your energy. There's a massive, massive, massive healing coming on your heart chakra, on your inner child, on your thymus chakra. So there was an energy of loss, lack, grief, sadness from a very long time. And there's a divine gift of the universe that has come to you. And your inner child is so happy as if it's the recovery of all the loss of so many years. That big this week is going to be for you people. You're going to feel extremely excited, extremely surprised by these new energies entering your life, and your heart is going to heal forever and ever. Your inner child is going to play in this week. You're going to be in this very beautiful childlike energy, very youthful energy. And you're going to be, extremely intuitive in this week and very passionate, very creative. Anything or everything you wanted to do when you were a little child, you're going to do is in this week. You're going to be healing. You're going to have surprise offers of gifts and love for everybody. That is so beautiful, guys. That is so beautiful. So all of the situation of the troubles and acquisition that was there on your heart is going to be released now. Someone new is entering your life, dear friends. Chair filled. This is a new energy or a person. Somebody is going to enter your life in this week who is going to heal you, take you out of the troubles and acquisitions and all of the heartache energy. All right. So literally a person, or friends, or a community, someone enters your life, or this is a new energy that is entering your life. I just love it for you guys, and this is unbelievable. Let us take one chakra card to see which of your chakra either needs healing or is activated at present. So which chakra in your body wants to talk to you? Let us see. If there is a healing needed, mysticism, your third eye chakra. Your third eye chakra is very strong. And guys, oh my god, we have the gratitude energy over here. You have forgiven everybody. That negative energy of forgiveness, unforgiveness, you have released, because there is big blessing that has come to you. I have goosebumps, my god, all over. And this is a blessing of Mercury in retrograde, yet Mercury is blessing you. You have so much gratitude to the universe, and I have goosebumps, guys. You're going to cry the tears of gratitude in this week. And you have the mystic energies. So many of you are starting something in the line of mysticism. Even if you're not doing that, you're very strongly connected. You are going to do your meditations, your yogas, your chanting of mantras, your connection with the divine realm, and cleansing yourself very strongly. Maybe many of you have started this practice also of writing gratitude every day. And to tell you the truth, guys, if you follow this 3-6-9 technique for this year, it's going to be really good. 3 times you write it in a notebook, thanks for something, something, something. You can write 3 different things in the morning. In the afternoon, you write 6 times, give thanks for anything. And in the night before sleeping, you write for 9 times. Guys, you can purchase a journal, a notepad or something, and start this and see your energy changing. And we have the mysticism energy. So this is an absolutely brand new energy in your third eye chakra, your crown chakra. You are like a god or a goddess in this week. That is extremely beautiful. I love this energy. And with the Page of Cups, this is a brand new energy. Brand new energy of, very high intuition, psychic abilities, and so much happiness, joy that comes when there is so much gratitude and there is so much clarity, and it all kind of an energy. All right, this is all extremely beautiful, dear friends. Let's see what is there in your environment. So, dearest goddesses, please help us understand what is there in the environment for my friend. We have the release of all of these stresses. 9 of Swords in reverse, and we have the coming together of the Lovers, the energy of alignment. So all of these stresses, that is the anxiety, the nightmare, the fearful energy that was there with regard to something new that is going to start with this equinox or this April, New Year energy or the eclipse energy. You're going to be releasing everything. The sleepless nights, the tension, the stress, the health hazards, the headaches, or everything. And you're going to be aligning. 2 of Cups, soulmates, soul tribes, love and compassion in your environment. There are people also who were suffering, but you're going to be connecting with them like soulmate, and you're going to help them release their stresses. So there is an environment building up for you, the right kind of friends, the right kind of tribe, the right kind of community for whom you're going to be like a very strong healer with your love and compassion. You're going to take away their stresses. This is what is there in your environment. You have loving connections, you have supporting connections, you have people who take away your stress, depression, sadness, grief. You have people who vibrate at your frequency, who understand you. Love 8, guys, unbelievable. Then we have contradictory energies showing up where there was a situation where there was parting of ways in romance or business. There was a situation where there was parting of ways in romance or business. You ended a romantic relationship maybe, or maybe your business or your work situation ended, and there was somebody who was extremely stubborn. They say someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. That kind of an energy of a narcissistic, toxic person is going to leave your life now. And you had a long journey, either physical or a mental, and that journey made you very wise. So there has been a situation in your life in past where either there was a breakup in a relationship or there was a career end or something like that because of a narcissistic, toxic or controlling person. You went through a lot. There was a long journey of a lot of years for you, maybe the spiritual awakening journey when you grew through this situation. And in this week you will see the miracles of the universe and you will understand that you're totally healed and whole now. and you're going to be able to tackle these situations with a lot of balancing act, I believe, in this week. Okay, and we have peace and harmony. This is the energy that I'm sensing the most. Peace and harmony. Everyone is supportive, everyone is by your side now to bring in the best of the best for you. Everyone loves you. Okay, now let's see the final guidance messages, dear friends. Upcoming 7 to 10 days, we are checking the final guidance messages. We have the Seven of Swords on base. All of the situations of cheating, deception, things being stolen from you, that is going to reverse in this week. The universe is going to heal it all. We have the Star card. You are the star. The universe is showing you a lot of hope, optimism, inspiration for these new beginnings, and we have the Ace of Swords. This is the final dead end answer, guidance from the universe. There's a new beginning, your wish fulfillment. Whatever your wish is, make it right now, right here. The universe is blessing you with your wish. This very week, the universe is going to make your wishes come true, dear friends. Let's see what else. Guidance messages, what they want to give. This is an amazingly beautiful week, dear friends. Connect with the divine. But I see that you guys are doing something. Maybe you are giving your affirmations. I am peace, love. You know, you can do anything. Make a gratitude journal and side by side write affirmations. I am love, peace, harmony, satisfaction and content. Focus on service. Something you're going to start in this week, dear friends. Over here also we see the purity, the white energy. You guys are connecting with a community or a people. Some people who need your, there's a mutual give and take of the service over here. Your soul desires only to joyfully serve and to swim in a constant stream of bliss. This stream continuously feeds your everything you need. Put your entire focus about staying in the stream of giving and receiving in every situation, in all that you do. So focus on servicing, guys. Don't think much that, what am I going to get in return from this person if I heal them, if I give them time, energy, money. I believe that, universe is blessing you too much. Goddess Venus is going to, emerge in your aura very strongly, and they are saying that, the truth about you is that you love serving people, you love helping people, and just be in your original energies this week. Don't think anything else about, money or, what am I going to get in return. Everything for you is going to come from the universe. Okay, let's see what else is there. We have deserving, taking steps towards the things that you are deserving. You have the consciousness of deservingness. You know now that the universe is, opening up all the doors. Oh my God, we have a door to personal health, healing and happiness. Yes, universe is opening a door to personal healing and happiness. This is a portal, guys. You're going to enter this portal in this week. I'm sensing, this personal healing, happiness and lot of peace and serenity. Actually going to believe finally that good things do happen. All of our journey on spiritual awakening is not just shadow work. One day we get healed and we get the chance to heal others. So you're going to be the heal and the whole one. And we have the yin yang. This is the balance. Divine feminine, divine masculine balance. That is what I'm sensing. And it's coming from number 22. That 2-2 portal, that was the portal again, that was with the connections of, soulmates, twin flames. Again, that is beautiful. Last but not the least, let's pull a card from the Angels of Abundance to see what do they want to say. Extremely beautiful energies for this week, guys. I'm just awestruck. This is unbelievable. Yes, wow. They are saying no more complainings. Like, you guys are blessed like something. And guys, don't talk negative. Complaints are affirmations of victimhood, which is never true spirituality. Spiritually, take back your God-given power by affirming that you have an abundance of choices and freedom. With your increased confidence and assertiveness, you guys can take some throat chakra healing also. Watch these positive affirmations blossom into reality. So guys, no more complaining this week. And finally, severe vows of poverty. I have a healing for this also, you can take that. But this week you're going to see that you're going to completely come out of this scarcity and poverty and step into your zone of abundance and richness. Dear one, there's no need to suffer or sacrifice. Hold the intention of undoing any vows of poverty, of self-denial that you may have made, consciously or unconsciously in any lifetime. As you do so, all effects of these vows will be undone for everyone involved in all directions and all time. So you just have to, undo these vows of poverty. Maybe you took some vows of poverty in last lives. Maybe you decided that I am not going to take money for my work, or I am not going to get married, I am going to dedicate my life as nuns, anything, but I am going to sacrifice my life for my children, for my parents, that those kinds of vows that you took maybe in past lives or past of this life, you are going to break those vows of poverty, because you are deserving of everything good for yourself first. Fill your vessels first. That is the guidance message for you guys. Okay, now guys, divide yourself in 3 groups. And if you see the energy, how I am reading is not lingering on, doing the things fast, taking decisions fast and moving on to the next thing. So guys, divide yourself into 3 groups. We are going to exactly, see what is coming for each group. For group 1, let's see the divine feminine goddesses. What energy, what blessings you want to give for my group 1 people. Okay, this was like just picked up, okay? Somebody just picked it up. So they say this year is really bold and big. Even the year is bold and big, but this week is going to be very bold and big for you. Child's huge success. Anything that you are going to do in this week is going to bring a lot of child's huge success, or your child is already having huge success in this week. PR approved for somebody, that is permanent residency. Heredity, money and luxury life. Brand new life begins for you. Okay, so this is for my pile number 1. Again, I'm going to read it, or you can take a click from here. This whole year 2025 is going to be bold and big one for you people. Your child is going to have a huge big success. Can be child's marriage, something manifesting for your child. A lot of heredity money is going to come towards you in this week. And last but not the least, we have luxury life. This is Goddess Venus blessings, and we have brand new life beginning for you in this week. This is absolutely, we are not going to be greedy and not going to take anything else. Now we're moving to group number 2. Let's see what's coming for group number 2. And guys, if you want to, opt for 1, 2, 3, you can take as many as you want. So let's see. Universe is infinitely abundant and always willing to give us. Okay, this one is also picked up. Whoa, we have reap rewards of good karma in this week. You are totally aligned with angels. I was telling you, pile number 2, like you are an angel, a goddess, a god energy. Property sale purchase, news benefit. Either you're going to hear a sale or purchase in the family, somebody's property got sold or purchased and you're getting the heredity money, or you yourself are selling your properties or buying your properties. Some kind of investment with regard to property is going to be of benefit to you. And then totally aligned with the angelic energies, and you're going to be reaping the rewards and awards of your hard work in this week. Wonderful. Let's move to pile number 3. What is it for pile number 3? Absolutely love this reading, dear friends. I have no words to express what a beautifully blessed week, 10 days we are going to have. I'm going to take it till 1st of April. Maybe moving into the month of April also. When I'm making it's 22nd. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, yeah. So 1st of April, I'm going to make another one. Group number 3. Group number 3. What's coming for group number 3? I believe it's very special. That's why, they're taking long to choose which one they want to give for group number 3. Somebody picked it from my hand. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God, if Prachi is here, I want to say that this week is very massive for you, because I think you asked me to make this chit. And this is for everybody, but especially this chit never came out for anybody, and this is for this year, but this week is going to be very massive. Okay, so for you this week, this year, good health, happiness, success, knowledge, confidence, courage, opportunities, best teachers, good friends, best results, huge success for children, prosperity for self, partner, sibling, child, parent, and protection. You got it all, guys. I mean, Prachi Jaiswal, if you are there, 3 cheers to you. What a message you made. You asked me to make this message for the entire year 2025. Whoever chose pile number 3, your best of the year 2025's the main week is this week, 10 days. I'm going to read it again, guys. For you this year, this week, good health, happiness, success, knowledge, confidence, courage, opportunities, best teachers, good friends, best results for you, huge success for child, prosperity for self, partner, sibling, child, parent, and protection. You got it all, guys. You got it all. Take a click of this, and what a beautiful, beautiful, beautifully blessed. And the last one is for everybody. For this year, they say this year you will become extremely rich and abundant. Money will increase 100% more than at present. I got goosebumps. That is the blessings of the goddesses over here. They say this year you will become extremely rich and abundant. Your money will increase 100% more than what you have in your bank accounts at present. 100% multiply whatever you have in your bank accounts, it's going to be increasing. Oh my world, guys, what a week. Let us ground you in this energy. I mean, what to say. Beautifully blessed we are. Thank you so much, my dearest beautiful friends of love and light. Do gain this reading, do comment down below and take the blessings of goddesses. Thank you very much, my beautiful friends of love and light. We'll connect with you soon. Thank you very much.